Welcome. If you want to add someone to your friend list in your PlayStation 5, at the first you have to grab your controller and then tap on the PlayStation button. After that we have to go below for that list, then enter game base, and here we have to tap on the options button on our controller and move to the go to the game base. And after that we have to move for the search, then scroll, click X, and just type the nickname of your friend that you want to add. Then click done, and as you can see right now we are able to invite one of this guy, for example this one. So click X, then tap on the left corner to add the friend and just click send. And as you can see, that's how it looks. And also here on the friend request we can find the request. We can also cancel this one. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.